Check you have all the front and back covers. Turn back the front cover. Connect round discs to the middle elastic straps. Connect steel hooks to the bottom elastic straps. Rear seat covers preparation. Pull down front cover through the headrest. Zip the zippers on the shoulder, both left and right sides. Push the round discs into the gap. Pull out the round discs from the backside. Hook the steel hooks underneath the base. Avoid electric wires. Install the other front seat the same way. Front finished. Choice 1. No need to remove the rear seats. Push the round discs into the gap. Use foam. Choice 2. Remove the rear seats. Raise the bench and turn back. Connect the round discs to the elastic straps. Turn back and press back the bench. Push the round discs into the gap. Push the round discs into the gap. Back seats finished. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the DIY.